Namaste. Welcome to Emma Foundation. We are going to link the value of self-worth, taking example of combustion and flame, a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat and light is called combustion. Oxygen in the air is essential for combustion. The substances which undergo combustion are known as combustible substances. It may also be called a fuel. Sometimes heat is accompanied by light, either as a flame or as a glow during combustion. Any material that undergoes combustion is called combustible substances, and they all have an ignition temperature. And when that temperature reaches, they start burning and giving out flame. When substances catch fire or fire accident occurs, where huge flames rise to sky, to stop that, water is used. You might have seen the fire stations and fire brigades pouring water on fire through hoses. When you see the flame, you see a blue color and orange-red pot. It has different zones: hottest zone, moderately hot zone, blue zone. That is at the tip of the flame, innermost zone, etc. Flame is always straight up. What is that you learn from here? That talks about self-worth. While explaining the fact that some substances burn with flame and some others do not, understand that on self-realization or knowing one's worth. Just like we can see the fire only when we blow air on burning coal, you may have many hidden potentials that can be nurtured only when you realize it. Another value which can be elicited is self-motivation. Sometimes only a spark is required to ignite one's own imagination and performance. While explaining the structure of a flame, you can relate the value of inner peace, which is very, very significant for maintaining a healthy mind. You see, the flame is always upwards and not sidewards. A blue tinge at the top, that is of peace. While explaining how a matchstick gets ignited, you can indicate positivity and hope in your minds. Just as fire which is pure, flame that is always erect, we need to always be convinced about our own worth and feel proud of it. Answer the following questions and win prizes. Thank you.